Good morning student. I Purnima welcome you to my class of English, and today I am going to continue the thief story which we have already done. So children, we have discussed about the writer Ruskin Bond, where he was born, about his schooling, and I have told you about the theme of the story also, and also children, the background of the story. So before reading the story, I am going to discuss with you today the main points of the story. So here the narrator was a thief. Although only 15, he was experienced and successful in his work. So what was his work? His work was to steal. Luck was against him and he thought of targeting Anil. So nowadays children, he was changing his name and he was running up from one place to another. But luck was against him and he was not find a suitable person so that he could rob and he could have a lot of money. So one day he went to see the match, wrestling match, and there Anil was also there, a man of 25 years of age, and though he did not earn much money because he was a writer. So the narrator introduced himself to Anil as Hari Singh. So he introduced himself to Anil as Hari Singh. He changed, though we all know that it was his fake name, it was not his real name. He changed his name every month to escape arrest. Hari Singh wanted to work for Anil, but Anil had no money to pay to him regularly. Anil had no regular income and used to write for magazine. Anil asked if he could cook, and Hari Singh lied that he knew how to cook, but actually he was not knowing the ABCD of cooking also. Anil asked him if he could cook, and Hari Singh lied that he knew how to cook. Anil Singh cooked the food so terribly on the very first day that he had to give his food away to the stray dog, and he told Anil to move, but he was not having any friend as he was an orphan. He was not aware that where he should go. Now, by nature and by heart, Anil was a very generous person. He knew that some problem he is having. That's why Hari Singh had taken shelter in his house. So Anil asked him to go away, but the narrator did not left his company. So Hari Singh, he did not leave his company. Later on, Anil softened and told him that he would teach Hari Singh how to cook. He also taught Hari Singh to write his name and promised to teach him to write whole sentences and to add numbers. It was quite pleasant for Hari Singh to work for Anil, and he made a rupee a day from buying the day's supplies. Later on, Anil was softened because he was as I told you, he was a very generous person, and he first thing he did was to teach cooking to Hari Singh. Now children, it was a wish of Hari Singh that he should also be educated, but as he was a orphan, nobody used to take care of him. But in his heart, secretly, he wished that he should also able to read, write and count. So children, not only Anil taught him cooking, he asked him if he want to get educated. He asked him if he wanted to read and write his name, and promised to teach him to write whole sentence and to add numbers. It was quite pleasant for Hari Singh to work for Anil, and he made a rupee a day from buying the day's supplies. So children, Anil, as I told, though he was living in his house, he learned cooking, he was getting education also, but children, after all, he was a thief. And when he used to go and buy his daily supplies, he used to steal 1 rupees. Anil was aware of this fact. Anil knew very much that Hari Singh, when he is going for the supplies, he is stealing the money, 1 rupees he is stealing, but he did not show to Hari Singh. So it was quite pleasant for Hari Singh to work for Anil, and he made ₹1 a day from buying the day's supplies. One evening, Anil came home with a small bundle of notes as he had just sold a book to a publisher. Hari Singh saw Anil tuck the money under the mattress. Hari kept up to bed, slid his hand under the mattress, and took the money out. Anil sighed. That means he had seen him taking the money. And Hari Singh started and quickly left the room. Now children, Hari Singh was having this feeling that he had seen him, so he quickly left the room. And children, Anil used to trust him so much that he had given the key of his room also. When the thief was on the road, he counted the note, and it was a total ₹600, enough for him. And 50 rupees note was there, and total notes were 600, enough for him to live a luxurious life for at least 2 weeks, like rich people or the Arabian people. Why Arabian people, children? It is believed that Arab country is the richest country in the world. With that money, he could live like a rich Arab for a week or two. Now children, Anil thought that he could easily jump into the Lucknow Express, but hesitated and remained standing at the platform. He had no friends to go, and the only person he knew was Anil, whom he had robbed few hours ago. It was a chilly night, and light drizzle added to his problem. Hari Singh had forgotten about his education in the excitement of theft, and realized that education could bring him more money than a few hundred notes. Now children, he was interested in education, but since he was an orphan, nobody took care of him. Now children, he realized that if he would have been a educated man, he could have achieved his goal, and he could have earned a lot of money. So he realized that in the excitement of theft, he realized that he had left a golden opportunity of getting education from Anil, because he could that education could bring him more money than a few hundred rupees. Hari Singh went back to the room and put the wet notes under the mattress from where he had stolen it. Next morning, Anil stretched out his hand towards the narrator, holding a 50 rupees note. Anil told that he had made some money and he would pay Hari Singh regularly. This also make Hari Singh realize that whatever he had stolen, and he ran out from there, he is aware of all this thing, Anil. So Hari Singh went back to the room and put the wet note under the mattress from where he had stolen it. Next morning when he woke up, Anil stretched out his hand towards the narrator, holding a 50 rupees note. Anil told that he had made some money as he would pay Hari Singh regularly. Actually, Anil knew everything about the theft, but neither his lips and nor his eyes showed anything. So children, finally, children, you can see that the person who was a thief, His soul insisted him to do the theft work in Anil house, but later on he realized that the person who had a lot of trust, and moreover he is giving him education, how could he rob such a man? So children, he became guilty conscious, and he brought and he kept the money. Okay, so these were the main points of the story. Now I would like to discuss the thing which Ruskin Bond want to share with you, the theme of the story. So the theme of the story is more than a thief's story. The story deals with basic human values and relationship. It is easier for a thief to rob a greedy man. It is difficult even for a thief to rob a careless and honest person. Hari Singh did steal Anil's money, but he could not run away with it. He had no friend, no relative or nowhere to go, as he was also the orphan child. Nobody supported him. So, one and all, it was Anil who could give him support. So he had no friend because he regarded them to be trouble than help. The only person he really knew was the man he had robbed. Moreover, Anil was ready to educate Hari Singh. The thief conscience pricked him. He came back to Anil and crept to his bed. He slipped the money under the mattress from where he had stolen it a few hours ago. So children, this was the thief story by Ruskin Bond. I have discussed the theme with you. Okay, so now I am going to read the lesson for you. Okay, so we will start with the thief story. I was still a thief when I met Anil. Though only 15, I was an experienced and fairly successful hand. So still means yet. So he is telling I was still a thief when I met Anil, and I was only 15 years of age. I was an experienced and fairly successful hand. Experience means here having the knowledge or skill. So experienced children here means having knowledge or skill. So skill in what? He was a thief, so he was a good thief, he was a skilled thief, and fairly successful. Successful children, a successful hand, that means he could achieve whatever children he want to do with this. He could achieve whatever he feel like achieving it. So fairly successful hand, that means children, wherever he wish to put the hand, as he want to achieve something, he would have got, he used to get success. Anil was watching a wrestling match when I approached him. Approach went near him. So approach means went near him. So he approached him, he went near him. Anil, who was about 25 years old, tall, lean fellow, and he looked easygoing, kind and simple enough. Not only easy going, he felt that he is a very kind-hearted person, simple enough for my purpose. What was the purpose of Hari Singh? Stealing. He thought he is a simple-hearted person, he could easily make him fool and he could steal. I hadn't had much luck of late and thought I might be able to get into the young man's confidence. So he thought he would easily win his confidence, and then he would go to his house, and finally what he would do is stealing. You look a bit of a wrestler yourself. I said, a little flattery help in making friend. Flattery means false praise. So what is the meaning of flattery? False praise. Flattery means false praise. Help in making friends. So do you, he replied, which put me off for a moment because at that time I was rather thin. So do you, he replied, which put me off for a moment because that time I was rather thin. So Hari Singh told him, Anil told Hari Singh that even you look quite good enough for wrestling. I was rather thin. Well, I said modesty. I do wrestle a bit. So children, he replied that modestly, it means humbly. So student, he replied modestly, and what did he replied? He replied to him in a very humble manner that even I used to do wrestling a bit. What's your name now? Anil asked his name. He told him what is his name, and he told, my name is Hari Singh. I lied because it was not his actual name. Every time when he used to go to a new place, he used to change his name. So I took a new name every month. That kept me ahead of the police and my former employees. So in this way, children, he was kept out of the police and my former employees. After this introduction, Anil talked about the well-oiled wrestler who were grunting. Grunting means roaring, lifting and throwing each other about. So they both started talking about the wrestler who were grunting, lifting and throwing each other about. I did not have much to say. Anil walked away. I followed casually. What is the meaning of casually? Purposelessly. So now children, he wanted to rob him. He thought he's a simple person, and finally what he did, he started following it. Okay. Hello again, he said. I gave him my most appealing smile. Appealing means attractive. Appealing smile, attractive smile. Attractive smile. So children, I want to work for you. And finally children, Anil told him that I want to work for you. And what did he say? He said, working is all right, but I don't have enough money to pay to you. I can't pay you. Now page number 9, students. I thought that over for a minute. Perhaps I had misjudged my man. Now children, Hari Singh was shocked because he thought might be a rich person. But when he told him that he cannot pay to Hari Singh, he thought that he had misjudged my man. What do you know, misjudged my man? That means he thought he would be a rich man. It would be, he's a generous person and he could easily make a fool to him and he could rob him. But then he told that was his wrong conception, misinterpretation about Anil. Can you feed me? Now he told, can you feed me? Can you give me food? Well, Anil told, can you cook? I can cook. He told, yes, I can cook. He lied. If you can cook, then maybe I can feed you. So he told, see, if you can cook, because he was a writer and from morning till night he was very busy. He was not having enough time to cook and all that thing. So he told, if you can cook, then I can feed you. Well, he told a lie. He told, yes, I can cook. And he took me to his room over the Jamna Street shop and told me I could sleep on the balcony, but the meal I cooked at night must have been terrible because Anil gave it to a stray dog. Now children, Hari Singh told lie to him. He was not knowing about cooking. So when he tasted the food, it was so terrible. He did not scold it, but he gave all that food to the stray dog. And he told him that you can go out from here because you told me lie. But I just hung around, smiling in my most appealing way, and he could not help laughing. Now, children, he knew, Hari Singh knew very well that he don't have anywhere to go. So, children, what happened? He again, he was a clever thief, clever person. So again, in a most appealing way, he had given a smile to Hari Singh. I knew that once I could write like an educated man, there would be no limit to what I could. Well, even he started laughing, and finally he told, he patted me on the head. So with the affection, he patted him like this, he had done on his head, and said, never mind. He told, okay, it's okay, never mind. He would teach me to cook. He told, if I will teach you to cook, then you will learn. He told, okay. So he told, I will teach you how to cook. He also taught me how to write my name and said he would soon teach me to write whole sentences. So he also told him how to write his name. And finally, children, he also told him that one day he would teach him how to write the whole sentences. I knew. Now, children, Hari Singh, he really wished from the bottom of his heart to get education. He wanted to be an educated man. I knew that once I could write like an educated man, there would be no limit to what I could achieve. It was quite pleasant working for Anil. I made the tea in the morning and then would take my time buying the day's supplies. It was quite pleasant working for Anil. I made the tea in the morning and then would take my time buying the day's supplies, usually making a profit of about ₹1 a day. I think he knew I made a little money this way, but he did not seem to mind. Now, children, he used to make the profit. Okay, he used to make the profit. He used to take ₹1, and it seems to Hari Singh that Anil, he knew, he is aware of all this thing, that he is taking ₹1 note daily from the when he used to go to the market, and he made a little money this way. But he, it seems, children, he did not seem to mind. So in this way, Hari Singh is still a thief, will be a thief. He will not change. So not much, but he was stealing ₹1 daily when he used to go to the market. So it was quite pleasant working for Anil. I made the tea in the morning and then would take my time buying the day's supplies, usually make a profit of about ₹1 a day. I think I made a little money this way, but he did not seem to mind. Now, page number 10. Anil made money by fits and start. So, fit and start means not regularly, casually. Fit and starts. Not regularly, but casually. So he was making money by fit and start, not regularly but casually. This because children, this was watched. He was watched by Hari Singh, and he was watching him very minutely, and he came to know this thing that he earned his income not regularly but casually. He would borrow 1 week, lend the next. Why? Because sometimes he would borrow the money and sometimes he would lend the money. He kept worrying about his next check. Not only that, children, he kept worrying about his next check. But as soon as it arrived, he would go out and celebrate. So, but children, when his check used to come, when his check used to get the check, and that check used to come, so he used to go out and used to celebrate. He must be seeing the movie, or he must be going to the restaurant, okay, to enjoy. So this was there. It seems he wrote for magazine, a queer way to make a living. Now, children, Anil also, Hari Singh also observed that it seemed that he used to write for a magazine, which was a very queer way to make money. Well, so one evening he came home with a small bundle of note, saying he had just sold a book to a publisher. So, children, Anil also came to know that his way of making livelihood, because he used to write for magazine, a queer way to make a living. One evening he came home with a small bundle of notes, saying he had just sold a book to a publisher. Now, children, he used to share each and everything to Hari Singh. He was a generous person, and he felt that he could trust him. So one evening he came home with a small bundle of note, saying he had just sold a book to a publisher, and he shared this thing to Hari Singh. He told that he had just sold a book to a publisher. At night I saw him tuck the money under the mattress. And children, Hari Singh, he was constantly watching him, and in night what did he saw? He saw that he had put the money under the mattress. I had been working for Anil for almost a month. Now, children, see, a turning point is here. Now, he had been working for Anil for almost a month had passed, and he had been working, and apart from cheating on the shopping, had not done anything in my line of work. So only one thing he was doing to harm him, that he used to steal only 1 rupees when he used to go to the market, and apart from that he used to do nothing. Okay, in his line, what was his line? Theft. What was his line? To steal. Okay, because he was a thief finally. Well, Anil was had given me a in my life had every opportunity for doing. He had not done anything in my line of work. I had every opportunity for doing so. Anil had given me a key to the door, and I could come and go as I please. Now, children, Anil had given him opportunity for stealing also, because children, Anil used to trust him so much that he had given the key of his main entrance door. He could open the door whenever he want. He can go out from the door whenever he want. He can come inside the door whenever he want. Anil had given me a key to the door, and I could come and go as I pleased. He was the most trusting person I had ever met. No, children, he was the most trusting paper. Now, Hari Singh, even he started realizing that Anil is he used to trust him a lot. Till now, nobody has trusted him so much except him. And that is why it was so difficult to rob him. It is easy to rob a greedy man because he can afford to be robbed, but it is difficult to rob a careless man. So he's telling it is very easy to rob a greedy man, but it is difficult to rob a careless man. Sometimes he doesn't even notice he has been robbed, and that takes all the pleasure out of work. Now, children, he is telling it is difficult to rob a man who is having so much faith on him. It is easy to rob a greedy man because he can afford to be robbed. Because a greedy man, he is greedy, he can make enough money whenever he wants. But it is very difficult to rob a careless man, because sometimes that careless man is not even aware that somebody had stolen his money. He doesn't even notice he has been robbed, and that takes all the pressure out of the work. And this type of work, Hari Singh never used to enjoy it. Well, it's time. I did some real work. I told myself, I'm out of practice, and if I don't take the money, he will only waste it on his friend. Now, children, he is surrounded by evil idea, he is talking to himself. He told himself that I am out of practice. That means nowadays I've not practiced my stealing for so many days. I'm out of practice, and if I will not take this money, the money, children, which he has bought by selling the books, he's telling, if I will not steal the money, and he will spend all his money on his friend, and after all he doesn't even pay me, and he's telling I'm doing a lot for him and he is not even paying me. Okay, so this is the first part of this story is over. Tomorrow, children, in tomorrow's video we will continue the next part. With this, I end my video here. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.